Blue light cystoscopy is a diagnostic procedure that uses a special dye that's called hexaaminolevulinic acid, or HAL. This dye has properties to be incorporated into the tumor cells. With appropriate wavelength in a blue light cystoscope, we can see tumors as red and normal as blue. So it's very clear that what's red has to be biopsied or scraped out and sent for the biopsy, and this actually led to tremendous results of this blue light cystoscopy, which is improvement in diagnosing of these tumors, leading to 14 to 41% increase in the number of the tumors found at the cystoscopy, comparing to white light, which is the cystoscopy that we use for more than 100 years. Do not think it is a urinary tract infection. It is something, it was, and it won't happen again. It requires your attention and attention of your urologist. I would suggest to contact our minimally invasive urology program coordinator and have everything arranged to be seen by me or my colleagues, and after this be scheduled for blue light cystoscopy. We are unique for offering this procedure in Rhode Island state, and also one of 3 places in New England.